Hello, Pestilence here with a SB and Company Slaymaker Barry company lock. It has a patent date on it, January 26th and March 8th, 1892, number 2, with the SB and Company logo on the top. And that's what it looks like underneath. And it didn't want to open. I could get it to the shackle to pop open a little bit, but it didn't want to open all the way. And then I finally got it to open up, and after I oiled it. And so now it's all oily. But then I just tried to close it because I left it open and it didn't want to close. So there you go. I wiped off the part of the shackle that goes into the lock, and then for some reason it closed. So I don't know if it was that or what exactly it was. But anyway, so now that it is closed, and once it's closed, it's closed. It's a pretty sturdy little brass lock. Now I'll try to get it open. There we go. Amazing. Yeah, I have a little time before I have to go and see my pain management doctor, so why not make a quick video? Okay, there we go. Now, I don't know if it'll close or not. Yeah, it's not closing. I noticed before that sometimes it would close on its own when it was partially open like that. So now it won't open, but now it's not all the way closed. So I don't know if it's somehow the shackle is misaligned. Yeah, that's pretty good. There's really nothing obstructing it. I can't really see inside there. I'll have to get a strong light. Okay, so anyway, there we are. A nice antique lock that doesn't want to lock. Yeah, once it's in there, boy, it doesn't want to come up. But as you can see, it's not quite fully locked. But it is locked. Urgh! Ah, there we go. Ah, okay, so there we are. Nice little brass padlock. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.